Those who mastered my strategy knows that this is one of the perfect signals you can get using my own trading strategy. Yeah, when I first started, I thought trading meant chasing complicated signals. Years later, I learned the truth. The market doesn't reward complexity. It rewards discipline. That's why this strategy is simple, and it took 7 years to stripe away the noise. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.